videos I recorded, and I don't know when I will upload all those videos. By the way, this is one of my birthday dress, kind of Korean, Chinese, Asian styling. So entire dress pic, if you want I can put it here, because this is the second time I'm wearing. First time I wore for Pushpa 2 movie last week. Yes, so I'm wearing it again now to record this video. I know I got all the products. I ordered it on 30th November before that's my birthday month, and the NYKAA birthday thing also is there, the Black Friday, everything together. I ordered last minute only because I was waiting for, I want to order a few more like Charlotte Tilbury's foundation mini one, but I had a dilemma. I wanted to check whether it suits my skin or not. A little bit I become tanned, so that's what I was worrying about. I want to buy few items like a lipstick in Charlotte Tilbury and foundation in Charlotte Tilbury, and one straw cream, not in MAC but some other brand which I forgotten. I have kept it in my wish list, so I was waiting for that, and then okay fine, leave it. First I want my skincare, and I guess I got a few makeup items. Apart from that, skincare items I got, and one perfume. This is Carlton London, and this is the third one I'm buying it. I have in this blush and love, and I bought Wicked in this. This one is so good. Blush is my all-time favorite, and then love is the best, and then I bought Wicked. So this one I don't know whether I got it from Myntra or Blinkit, which one from which I bought, I've forgotten, but this one is apart from this, everything is from NYKAA. It's Wicked one, it's my favorite, one of my favorite. See, this is how it happened. The smaller version only I bought. I use much, and I won't go out much, so that's the reason I'm not going to get Guess, but I didn't go for Guess this time. That's fine. Guess is my all-time favorite. Okay, let me open it. So first I have its solution. It's from Nat Abbott, my favorite one. So I bought honey lip balm from Nat Abbott. Every products in this are my favorite one. I'm buying it for almost 2-3 years. Yes, from pregnancy I'm using it, so it's like 3 years. So what I bought this time is, so this one is Fresh Talk Brightness Upton face wash, and this is Basin Haldi Ratchan. So I wanted this face wash from this. So first time I'm trying face wash in this, because normally from Nat Habit what I get is these are the ones. It's like instant, you know. I don't want to go find the base, multani matti, haldi, dahi, bus, so many things I want to get it, but you know, it's freshly made. You can use it like a paste, no need of adding water or anything, but I keep it in my room. It's cool temperature, so not to worry about that. This one is Acacia Leaf. Second time I'm getting this one. I don't know how many times I bought this rose blush Multani Upton. I don't know, many times I bought. It gives me a nice glow. It's like you know, you'll get two together, kind of that. And then this one is Haldi one Upton. Skin, even if if I get any allergy or anything, I use this one only. So 2 months once I get. It's kind of it will come for 2 months if you keep it properly. So they will mention here also. It's 1st December. Actually, I ordered on 30th November, right? They gave me a fresh batch. It's the 1st December 2024. So use it within 2 months. It's like I can use it till Feb first week, but I don't think so. It will come till Feb. It will end up within Jan itself. Today is 18th December. Then when I saw Pushpa, I saw second day. So I don't know how many days happened, because I had an issue in my phone. I couldn't record. S series phone, mine is S23 Ultra. It's 512 series. Still I face an issue. I'll go for this. I know, and this I have my birthday product also. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Till like I want to collect all the products together. You want to do a haul video? This then will come in my haul video. Bought plenty for me. Oh, they sent me a limited edition of my NYKAA perfumed body lotion. Oh my god, Lammage. I hope Lammage. It's like La Maggie. Sorry. I don't know what flavor is this. They have amber. Okay, amber is my favorite one. Okay, let me check how it is. I don't know. I never thought of to send me this one. Last time they gave me a K Beauty's kajal that I use it for my babies or Nazar for Nazar. It was like light. It was like dushti. So they sent me a 250 ml product, like 200 ml product. Wow. Thank you, NYKAA, for the birthday gift. And then here comes, I wanted to try this blush. My face is bad, except I have a bobby brown lipstick on the hibiscus flavor. So I wanted to try this blush they launched. Okay. I think I used a lot. Light testing because I love blushed face. I don't use contour or anything. I use blush on straw cream. That's enough for me, and I have a lipstick that's better for me. So it looks good. Okay, this one I'm happy. That you happy. Birthday gift. This I wanted to get from Victoria's Secret because last year I bought 2 things from Victoria's Secret. I wanted to try something else or I wanted to buy the same one. I was waiting, but it smells perfect for me. I'm very choosy when selecting my perfume native things. Okay, this is a big one. I also forgot whatever I bought. Why I'm speaking in a husky voice is because my babies are sleeping. So many things over, right? Oil tint etiquette. So I wanted to try something different, so I bought this one. Okay. I already have lipstick. Tastes like strawberry. I will show you the swatch. The plumberry. This one is. You can try it. You can use it like lip tint or cheek tint also. And this one is from Foxtail. This is the second purchase from Foxtail. I already have that from Blinkit. The purple mask, I bought the second tub of the purple mask, and then SPF sunscreen. So this one is a lip balm from Foxtail, and like I said, I bought purple mask, second tub, and this is also from Foxtail. I have, this is a bigger one, I have a small one from Blinkit. All those things are from Blinkit, and this is from NYKAA. That one around 21st of November. I still remember Thursday morning I ordered from Blinkit. So this is from Foxtail, Super Glow Moisturizer, and 50 ml only. This is vitamin C, niacinamide, peptide, and I know this smells good. And this one is dewy sunscreen, SPF 70. PA+++. I don't use. I'm using it mainly for one particular purpose. Otherwise, I don't use sunscreen at all. And this one is Wish Care. I saw many good reviews about this. This is the first time I'm buying from this brand. It's AHA and BHA body lotion. 10% AHA blend plus 1% salicylic acid, niacinamide, grapefruit plus blueberry. My favorite blueberry. 200 ml. So I wanted to try because they have a glycolic acid, I guess. So they have a glycolic acid, lactic acid, stearic acid. That's the main reason I bought. And they have salicylic acid also. That's the main reason I bought. I bought Sunscoop hydrating fluid sunscreen for face and body. This is SPF 60 and both are like waterproof and sweatproof. Reason I bought, enriched with hydrating and soothing and anti-inflammatory ingredients like zinc oxide and aloe vera extract. quarter plus. Quick absorb, no white cast. This is also new for me, this brand, completely new. And what else? I have Foxtails overnight glow mask. I want to try this one. This is also AHA plus PHA and vitamin B5. All skin type is 30 ml. And I wanted to try the body wash from Foxtail. Again, it's a brightening body wash. Okay, it's gentle exfoliation and glue even skin. I have a dust allergy and the dust allergy got aggregated. That's why I started sneezing. Still 14 minutes I was continuously recording. I want to keep in a proper way, but I need to take break. Glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and then they do have a lactic acid, I guess so, but it's not mentioned here. It's glycolic acid. That is the main reason I bought this one. And I do have some tans. Like I said, I have skin burns. Like it's visible from here. See, skin burn. I had my skin burn from here till here, and even on my legs, and till this portion I was badly affected with the skin burn. So if you see, and I do have this, my doctor said that, and my husband also said that I use this hand a lot. That is the main reason the friction happened there. So this will help me, I guess so. So for the tannings and discolorations, and I do have a post-pregnancy, still the discoloration is going on. Like I have here, and here, and I have a panda eyes because of I have to wait till 4 a.m. in the morning. All, I hope you like this video. I don't know, actually I'm having a video almost 2021 and even my pregnancy video, now the day in my life, what I eat and what I vomit. I don't eat, I vomit. So day in my life, mehendi and getting ready for my Simandam, Valagappo, everything I took videos, but my editor, even my baby's functions and bits and pieces of all the things that happened, right? Like a festives or everything I took, like even what's in my bag for delivery I took, and it got corrupted and it got deleted. I don't know where to find also that particular video. And I was like 38 weeks pregnant with twin babies in the வயிற்ற வச்சுட்டு நானே என்னோட எல்லாத்தையும் பேக் பண்ணி நானே அடுக்கி வச்சு அவ்வளோ பெரிய சூட்கேஸ், அந்த சூட்கேஸ் பேர் பசங்க உடச்சிட்டாங்க. அது செகண்ட் ரீசன். அவ்வளோத்தையும் நான் எடுத்து வச்சா கடைசியில் பார்த்தா வீடியோ டெலிவரி ஆகிட்டு பார்க்குறேன், வீடியோ கரெக்டுன்னு வருது. என்னப்பா அந்த டெலிவரி ஆகி 2-3 days கழிச்சு தான் நான் ஃபோனை யூஸ் பண்ணேன். அப்போ பார்க்குறேன் என் வீடியோ காணும். நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் ஃபஸ்ட்டு, ஏன்னா நான் அழகாக ஜிப்லாக் பேக்ஸில் என் பசங்களுக்கு பாய்க்கு என்னவோ கேர்ளுக்கு என்னவோ இது அவங்க டெலிவரி ஆனோடனே இமீடியட்டாக போடுற ட்ரெஸ்ஸு, அவங்களுக்கு அந்த க்யூட்டாக அந்த ரேபிட்டோட பியர் அந்த க்யூட்டாக இன்னும் அந்த ட்ரெஸ் ஐ ஹேவ். ஓகே, நான் அப்புறம் கொடுக்கணும் என் ஃபோட்டோ எங்கே வேணால் கிளிக் போடுறேன். ஃபோனோட வால்பேப்பர் அதுதான், அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸு தான் எல்லாமே, லைக் எல்லாமே பர்ஃபெக்டாக இருக்கும். டவல், இவனுக்கு டவல், அவளுக்கு டவல், எவ்ரி திங் ஐ கேட்டிருக்கேன். எல்லாமே டிலீட் ஆகிடுச்சு. அண்ட் ஐ ஈவன் ரெக்கார்டட் தேர் அன்னப்ராஷனுக்கு போகிற வாட்ஸ் இன் மை பேக், எவ்ரி பேக்ஸ்னும் டெய்லி வந்து வேக்சினுக்கு போகணும்ல, மாதம் வேக்சினுக்கு போகணும், அது ஒரு கப்பம் கட்டணும். அந்த இதுக்கு அந்த வீடியோஸ் கூட இருக்குது, பேக் வீடியோ இருக்குது, எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் தேர். ஈவன் எவ்ரி திங் இல்லை, இந்த வருஷம் வரைக்கும் எல்லாத்தையும் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி தான் வச்சுருக்கேன். ஆனால் எப்போ அப்லோட் பண்ண போகிறதில்ல, பட் ஐ சூன் அப்லோடட் அண்ட் ஐ நீட் டு கெட் டைம். தட்ஸ் வை. ஓகே, நான் ரொம்ப வளவலாக பேசுகிறேன். My lips are dry because of the climate, and my face also dry after delivery. So that's why I hope you all like this video, and I'll soon upload it, and I'll soon start to upload all the videos. I know நான் கொஞ்சம் உட்காந்து பொறுமையாக செக் பண்ணி நிறைய வீடியோஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அது I don't have system, கடந்த லேப்லையும் அவ்வளோ ஒர்க் ஆகாது. I need to sit down, edit, and I have to post it. That's why. And by the way, hope you all like the artworks for my babies. இதுக்கு லாஸ்ட் இயர் வரைக்கும் இந்த வீடியோ இங்கே ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்க வீடியோஸு எல்லாம் பிளெயினாக அழகாக இருக்கும். ஸோ எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணேன். இப்போ என்னோட பேபிஸோட ஆர்ட் ஒர்க்ஸுக்கு இதோட எனக்கு என்ன வால்பேப்பர் வேணும், ஒரு கேலரி வேணும், பேக்கில் நான் வச்சு வரேன் வீடியோ எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. ஸோ ஐ ஜஸ்ட் sitting and recording here because the light நல்லா டேரெக்டாக நான் பண்ணேன். வெளிச்சம் பிடிச்சிருக்காரு. எப்போ நான் வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணாலும் இருக்குன்னு பொண்ணுக்கலாம். ஸோ அதனால bye, take care. God bless you all.